In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your text bold, italic, and underlined in Google Forms. This is a useful skill that can help you emphasize important information, make your forms more visually appealing, and improve the overall user experience for your respondents. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to Google Forms. If you haven't created a form yet, you can start a new one by clicking on the blank form option or choosing one of the available templates that best fits your needs. Once your form is open, look for the text box where you would like to apply the formatting. This might be the title, a question, or a description, depending on where you want to add emphasis. Unfortunately, Google Forms doesn't directly support text formatting like bold, italic, or underline within the platform's interface. However, I'm going to show you a clever workaround using special characters and Unicode to achieve the desired effect. To begin, you'll need to use an external website specializing in text formatting. One such website is YaText, which can convert your regular text into bold, italic, and underlined styles using different Unicode characters. On the YaText website, find the text box, paste or type the text you want to format, and watch as it displays a variety of formatting options. Once you see the styled text, find the versions that suit your requirements. Bold, italic, and underline are commonly used and usually listed as options. Choose the best style or combination of styles for your text. When you've found the perfect match, simply click the copy button next to your selected format, and it will automatically copy the styled text to your clipboard. Head back to your Google Forms tab and paste the copied styled text into the desired text box. It's as simple as that. You'll see that your text retains the formatting, and this method works seamlessly across different sections of your form. As a tip, be sure to preview your form to see how the formatted text looks from a respondent's perspective. This can give you a better idea of whether the emphasis you intended is effectively communicated. While Google Forms doesn't support direct text styling within its editor, using sites like YaText provides a simple and effective workaround. With a little bit of extra effort, you can make your forms more dynamic and engaging. So, there you have it. A straightforward method to make your text bold, italic, and underlined in Google Forms. This extra bit of polish can make a substantial difference in the readability and impact of your forms. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on using Google tools creatively and effectively.